In today's video, I am going to teach you how to convert your Figma designs into a working Webflow website. Start by opening your design in Figma. Before you think about exporting anything, set yourself up for success with structure. Make sure your frames use auto layout. Auto layout translates beautifully to responsive HTML and CSS, giving you predictable spacing, padding, and alignment that Webflow can interpret more cleanly. Add horizontal or vertical direction as needed. Set consistent gaps between elements and use padding instead of manually nudging items. Nest frames logically, like sections containing containers and components, so the hierarchy mirrors a real web page. Next, organize your layers. Clear naming is key. Name frames and layers in a way that reflects their role, like header, hero, button, or card. Consistent names help the plugin map your design to a maintainable structure inside Webflow. Avoid generic names and group related elements thoughtfully. This small investment will save time once you import. Now install the official Figma to Webflow plugin. Press Ctrl-K to open Quick Actions. Search for the plugin by name and install the official one. Once it's installed, open the plugin from Figma. You'll be prompted to log in to your Webflow account and authorize the specific site or workspace you want to use. This authorization simply lets the plugin send your selected frames to the right place in your Webflow project. With the plugin open, select the frame or layer you want to move over. Typically, that's a top-level page frame or a well-structured component. In the plugin, choose Connect. Then click Sync to Webflow. Depending on the complexity of your design, syncing might take a moment. Keep Figma tidy during this step, so what you send is exactly what you intend to build. When the import is ready, you'll see a prompt to continue in Webflow. Click Continue and switch to your Webflow dashboard. Inside Webflow, go to the Apps section and launch the Figma integration. Here, you'll see the items you synced from Figma. Select the design you just sent and import it into your chosen site or workspace. Take a moment to confirm the structure and naming look right before you proceed, ensuring everything aligns with how you set it up in Figma. That's it. Thanks for watching.